third graders, how are you? This is lesson 14, and our I Can statement for today is I can construct and analyze frequency tables, line plots, pictographs, and bar graphs. Okay, so we're going to switch over to page 313 so we can do our work. Okay. So frequency tables and the line plots. The ages of some players on a basketball team can be shown in different ways. So the first way that they're going to show us is this tally chart. So one way to show information is to organize it by age and by tally mark. So on this chart it shows that there's one 7-year-old on this basketball team. There are 3 8-year-olds, there are 5 9-year-olds, 4 10-year-olds, and 2 11-year-olds. Another way to show information is with a frequency table, and this time the actual number of players shows up. So here's your 1, your 3, your 5, your 2, your 4, and your 2. So tallies look like this, and the numbers, of course, look like that. The third way is the line plot to show frequency of data. So notice we have a number line here, and what they did on this number line is they knew that there weren't any ages between 0 and 7, so they put that little / mark in there just to show there were no players that were that age. The first player on this line plot is a 7-year-old, and they put 1 dot right here to show that there's one 7-year-old on the team. They put 3 dots to show that there are 3 8-year-olds, and for the 9-year-olds we know there's 5, so they do 5 dots. Notice how they try to line up the dots so that you can really see it in a picture way. And then 10-year-olds, there's your 4 dots, and 11-year-olds, here's your 2 dots. So that is a line plot, and that's what we're going to be working on today in solving these questions. It says use the data displays above to answer exercises 1 through 4. How many basketball players are 10 years old? So you can use any of these charts, tables, or plots to solve that. But since this is kind of a newer graph, I want you to look at the line plot. So you find 10 because that's the 10-year-olds, and then you count how many dots, and you can see that there are 4 10-year-olds on the team. Which age appears the most often? So they're asking you which age. So the age that appears the most is 9. So 9-year-olds. Question number 3. Are there more players younger than 9 or more players who are older than 9? So now we're going to want to look at this a little bit closer because you can see how many players are younger than 9. I think I have to erase this so we can see it a little better. Let me erase what I drew on there. So if you look, younger than 9, there are these that are younger than 9, and how many players? 1, 2, 3, 4. So younger than 9, there are 4 players. Let's just put that 4 right there. Older than 9, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, third graders, are there more players that are younger than 9 or older than 9? And you can see these 6 right here tell you that the answer is older than 9. The last question is write another question that can be answered using the data displays. So this one, you can choose whatever question you would like to put in there and share it with somebody at home. Page 314 is optional. If you would like to do this page with your family, you can maybe just pull together your family members and try to figure out the length of their span of their hands. So You don't have to do this. We'll go to the next page. Page 315. This is the lesson I was telling you about a week or so ago. Charlie had the question of the day, and she said, what is your favorite season? So when she asked that question, we had some classmates tell us the information for that one. And let me tell you right now, let's see, 2 classmates responded that winter was their favorite season, and 5 kids said that spring was their favorite season. And when she asked the question about summer, 3 classmates shared that summer was their favorite, and 1 person said that fall was their favorite season. So I filled in the tally chart to show favorite season. Now we can fill in the frequency table. So 2 classmates said winter, 5 said spring, 3 said summer, 1 said fall. So our next project is to use the data from the pictograph, to use the data from the tally chart and the frequency table to make a pictograph. So the title of our chart, I'm going to call it Favorite Season. So go ahead and fill that in. And the seasons, we want to keep the seasons in order so we don't mix things up. Winter, spring, summer, and fall. So I just tried to make it in the same order that it was listed up here on these charts. And we are going to use a smile face to stand for, and we're going to say 1 smile stands for 2 votes. So for winter, we had 2 friends in our class that said they like winter. So I'm going to do 1 smiley because the key is telling us that 2 people state 1 smiley face stands for 2 classmates. For spring, we had 5 kids say that they like spring the best, and so 2, 4, and then a half of a smiley face makes 5. Sorry, I'm using a stylus, and the stylus is a little tricky for me. Okay, summer, 3 classmates, let me make sure I'm doing this right. 3 classmates said summer was their favorite season. So this smiley face stands for 2 classmates, and then we have to do another half a smiley face to make 3. And 1 student said fall is their favorite. So here is our pictograph for our class. And then it says, suppose you ask 2 more students to tell their favorite season. Both of them answered winter. Okay, number 12. Suppose you ask 2 more students to tell their favorite season, and both of them answered winter. How would the pictograph need to change? So we would have to put 1 more smiley face in winter, so we can write that. Okay, that's it. Good job, third graders. The next page, we are finished with today's lesson. It does talk about having to go to page 316 to do the risks of your classmates, but we're going to skip that for today. All right. Go ahead and read what else you need to do for today's math. Thank you.